Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm about to show you one of the most overpowered AI platforms. This thing can generate ultra-realistic images, insane cinematic videos, viral content, and now they just dropped their brand new feature that will blow your mind. And trust me, this feature is actually crazy. It can literally research, plan, create brands, generate ads, and do almost everything for you in one place. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how it works and why everybody is starting to talk about it. So if you're in for this, make sure you like and subscribe. So this right here is the incredible AI tool. And right from the very get-go, you can clearly see that there are lots and lots of different things you can do with this AI tool. Well, most of you are probably already familiar with this specific AI platform because of the incredible model that it houses. But what if I told you that they have just brought about something even better, which is the all-new Higgsfield Supercomputer? And in this video, we're going to be talking all about it. But before we do that, let's take a quick look at the amazing models that it already has to offer. If you scroll down right here, you can see that this isn't just a simple image or video generative model. It is a complete, massive platform that houses almost every single AI tool you can think of, ranging all the way from Nano Banana 2 to Cadence 2, and even the Higgsfield Cinema Studio 3.5. If you scroll down further, you can see that there are even lots of viral presets available, like this Korean basketball preset, which is absolutely blowing up right now on platforms like YouTube and TikTok. I can't emphasize enough on how good this AI platform handles generations, but from the looks of it, you can see that it is truly, truly the best when it comes to overall quality. If you scroll back up and hover over images, you can see that I wasn't capping at all. You have lots of models to choose from, ranging from Grok Imagine all the way to Nano Banana, and they all generate ultra-realistic, high-quality images. We can easily test it out by clicking on the Create Image button and we'll be loaded right over to this interface. From the get-go, you have your main prompt box right here where you can type in a simple prompt. Like I can type in a realistic image of a woman with purple hair sitting in her bedroom, just like this. And you can select the model. There are truly lots and lots of models you can go with, like Grok Imagine as well as Dream 5. For this specific one, I'm going to be using the Higgsfield Sol 2, so just click on it. For the aspect ratio, I'm going to go with 9:16. For the quality, I'm going to leave it at 2K. And you can also enhance the prompt and as well choose the exact number of images you want to generate. I'm just going to leave it completely as is and click on Generate. And our image is currently being generated. This doesn't take much time at all, just give it a couple of seconds while our image is being generated. And in no time at all, we have this beautiful image right here. If you notice, this isn't just a random generation. It adhered to the prompt perfectly. It's a woman sitting in her bedroom and she has purple hair. This doesn't even look like AI at all. It also has some really cool features where you can upscale, enhance, relight, and basically change everything you want. And it does it all really well. You can as well animate this into a video by clicking right here. I'm just going to download the image just like this and head back. Before we head over to the supercomputer, I'm going to be testing out the video generator. So just click on Video and hover over Create Video. Click on it, and it will load it right over to this interface. From the get-go, you can see that I myself have been testing out this tool. I have generated this, and the quality you get with this is truly astonishing. To generate videos, just hover over here. You have the option to upload images, videos, and even audio to help better your final output. I'm just going to leave it as is. And on the prompt box, I can say, bear chasing a dog through a forest. Just like this. And you can choose whether you want it with audio or not. But I want it with audio, so I'm just going to leave it on. For the model, when it comes to models, they have a lot of variety, ranging from one, Happy Horse, and even the all-powerful Cadence 2, which I'm going to go with for this generation. And lastly, all you have to do is choose the duration. I'll leave this at 15 seconds. And for the aspect ratio, I'm going to leave it at 9:16. All you have to do now is click on Generate. And our video is currently being generated. Just give this a couple of minutes while it generates our video for us, and in no time, our video is ready. Let's take a look at what it generated. And honestly, that was really, really good. I loved how it generated two scenes, which is the dog's POV running from the bear. It adhered to the prompt perfectly, and you can click right here and download it straight into your device. So now I've showed you how to generate images and videos. Let's test out the all-new supercomputer. Just hover over here and click on it and you'll be loaded over to this interface. Think of this as an all-in-one powerhouse where you can do basically anything you want. ranging from it being your personal clipper to building skills with it, as well as creating UGC videos and running marketing campaigns. This has it all. You can also store files, and you also have memory for everything you have used it for. If you click here, you can see there are lots of models you can run this with. You can use Gemini, Claude, and as well as Gemini 3.5 Flash. Do note that this is the cheapest way to use Gemini 3.1 Pro, which is the supercomputer. To test this out, I'm going to paste in my prompt, just like this. This is basically telling it to do research and provide me with a list of e-commerce products that will do well in the market. For this, I'm going to be using Gemini. Before you hit generate, you have the choice to use the auto run or confirm before running, which will ask you further questions to make sure you get what you're looking for. I'm just going to use auto run and send this over. The supercomputer begins to handle this. It's currently fetching and searching the web spaces to find me a list of e-commerce products, which I asked for. So just give it a couple of minutes while it does its job. And in no time, they have provided us with a list of e-commerce products that we asked for. If you look closely, you can see it categorizes all of them, from portable tech accessories to beauty and grooming tools, all the way to everyday lifestyle and travel problem solvers. All that's left for you to do is to choose which one works best for you. I want something leaning to the tech accessories. So it has some recommendations like the magnetic folding 3-in-1 charging station. I like the idea of this. So I can copy this and I have this prompt right here, which is basically telling the AI model to build me a magnetic folding 3-in-1 charging station brand from scratch. And I want you to generate a product photo as well as ads and a UGC video for me, all using the supercomputer. So you can send this over just like this. It is currently running in the background. And this is all powered by the supercomputer. Think of it as an all-in-one powerhouse that can handle basically anything you want when it comes to AI. So just give it a couple of minutes while it generates these for us.
My travel bag has never run lighter and my desk has never looked cleaner. This 3-in-1 magnetic charger folds down completely flat like a wallet, but unfolds to power up my phone, watch, and AirPods simultaneously at full high speed. MagSafe snaps beautifully, locking each device.
Honestly, it did a really great job with that. No weird morphing, no weird distortion. You can further use this by using the memory feature. You will see that you can store basically anything using the memory feature. You can add things that you want the supercomputer to remember. You can also connect different apps to this. So just think of it as your all-in-one AI assistant. So make sure to check it out. The link will be in my bio.